When two things collide, something is always conserved, and that something is momentum. Momentum is required whenever two objects go bam, when bullet strikes a wooden plank, or even when a baby is crying in Newton's cradle. There is a law for it which has to be followed. So, what is that law? Momentum is the product of the mass times the velocity of an object, or can be written like this. Now let me help you with the law. Before a collision, the two objects have mass m1 and m2, and their initial velocities are u1 and u2. So their momentum is m1 u1 and m2 u2. At the moment when these objects collide, the forces between these objects will be f1 and f2. Now, as according to Newton's third law, the action will cause equal and opposite reaction. And so here it is. Now we get complete new velocities, which is v1 and v2. So now we can record the momentum after collision, which is m1 v1 and m2 v2. After doing some calculations, we get m1 v1 plus m2 v2, which is equals to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. In simple statements, the total momentum before collision is equal to the total momentum after collision, and thus momentum is conserved. Newton's cradle very well demonstrates the law of conservation of momentum, and additionally the conservation of energy too. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, only can be converted from one form to another. The rockets, guns, bullets, particles in air all obey the law of conservation of momentum. So, if energy and momentum are not conserved, it may disturb the sleeping baby in the cradle.